there. But the night before, on 21st, I think, of August, tinawagan ako ni ni Senator Bongo. Sabi niya, there's an offing problem. What is it? That apparently, it was found out because high profile kasi ang mga na-release, Sanchez and of course yung sa Chong. I'd like to address myself also to yung naiwan, those relatives who are grieving until now. Ma'am, Mrs. Chong, because she said, ano ba itong batas mo? Hindi ko po batas yan. And it was implemented not during my time. It was started. And it went on without really a clear-cut policy or direction, even on the law itself, kung sino ang magperma